Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic artificial intelligence. Contents. What is artificial intelligence? How can we use AI in EFL? What problems can AI pose? How can we help students use AI? How would you use AI in class? What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence AI is the use of computer systems to simulate human mental processes such as interpreting and generating language. Some examples of artificial intelligence. Number one, chatbots, smart assistants, e payments, search algorithms, media streaming, smart cars, navigation apps, facial recognition, text editors, social media feeds. It is the most examples of artificial intelligence. How can we use AI in EFL? There are many exciting applications of AI language models in the English as a foreign language EFL classroom. Let's take a look at some of them. Practical uses of artificial intelligence in EFL. Conversation practice. Student can engage in conversational exchange with LMS to improve their speaking and listening skills. Vocabulary development. LMS can provide examples of vocabulary in context and offer explanations and definitions. Writing practice. LMS can help students improve their writing skills by giving them writing prompts and feedback. Grammar instruction. LMS can provide explanations of grammar rules and exemplify their correct usage. LM is equal to language model. What problems can AI pose? While AI will certainly revolutionize education in many ways, it can also pose some problems that educators need to be aware of. Here are some of the main challenges for educators. Problems AI can pose to education: lack of personalization. Although AI tools are constantly evolving, they lack the human emotions that are sometimes necessary for effective teaching and learning. Bias and discrimination. Bias can occur in AI systems because of the data used to train them. AI algorithm may reflect societal biases, prejudices, and stereotypes. Dependence on technology. Both students and teachers may become too dependent on technology, hindering their ability to think critically or solve problems. Data privacy and security. AI powered tools in general often collect vast amounts of personal data, which might pose a threat to students' privacy and security. How can we help students use AI? As language models improve, it can be helpful for EFL teachers to adopt these tools and help their students learn how to use them effectively. Here are some practical ideas. Ideas to help students use AI tools effectively. Introduce AI tools. Adopt AI tools that can help students with their language learning, translation software, speech recognition software, or writing tools. Provide support. Teach students these tools are offer tips or step by step instructions to use them more efficiently. Monitor their work and give feedback. Encourage critical thinking. Encourage students to question the accuracy and fairness of AI powered writing tools or translation apps and focus on the context. Keep up to date. Teachers need to have their fingers on the pulse and identify new tools and resources that can benefit their students. How would you use AI in class? Do you know any AI powered tools that can be useful in the EFL classroom? Let's brainstorm suggestions on the following slide. AI tools and ideas. AI tools, write your ideas to use this tool in EFL. More details to discuss in another lecture because this topic is very long. Thank you for listening about AI. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.